The beginner's DIY candle making kit is made for all candle makers. If this is your first try, watch this video as you follow each step and start pouring with confidence. You'll need a microwave-safe container, a metal spoon, paper towels, scissors or wick trimmers, and a rigid straw or the barrel of a pen. Step 1. Adhere the wick. Insert the wick into a straw or a pen barrel. Peel the paper off one side of the wick sticker and press it onto the metal wick tab. Remove the paper from the other side of the sticker. Guide the wick to the bottom of the jar and press firmly to secure it in the center. Make sure the wick is centered for an even burn. Step 2. Anchor the wick. Lay the wick bar across the top of the jar. Gently pull the wick upward and slide it into the notch. Make sure the wick is straight and centered. Step 3. Melt the wax. Pour 1 bag of wax flakes into a microwave-safe container. Heat in 30-second intervals, stirring each time. Continue until the wax is fully melted and clear. It should be warm and fluid, not smoking. Remember, the container will get hot, so use caution when removing it from the microwave. Step 4. Add the fragrance. Once the wax is fully melted, pour 1 bottle of fragrance into the container. Stir slowly for about 2 minutes to make sure the fragrance binds to the wax. This helps ensure your candle will have a strong, consistent scent throughout. Step 5. Pour the candle. Place the jar on a flat, stable surface away from drafts. Slowly pour the wax into the jar. For extra pouring room, gently slide the wick bar aside as you pour, then recenter it. Let it cool completely, without moving, to prevent surface imperfections. Step 6. Trim the wick. Once the candle has completely cooled, you can remove the wick bar and use scissors or wick trimmers to trim the wick to 1/8 to 1/4 inch. A properly trimmed wick helps the candle burn evenly and cleanly while preventing a large flame and unwanted soot buildup. Step 7. Finish and label. Apply the caution label to the bottom of the jar and press firmly to secure it. This label provides important safety information for anyone who burns the candle. See the Candle Safety Guidelines section on the instructions for more information on how to safely burn your candles. Step 8. Cure, light, and enjoy. Allow your candles to cure for 5 to 7 days to achieve the best scent throw. When burning, keep it lit for 3 to 4 hours to let the melt pool reach the edges of the jar. This helps prevent tunneling and promotes a clean, even burn.